Hey there, fellow Globetrotters. Welcome back to Travel Troop. Today, we're going to reveal 6 travel hacks that are going to change the way you explore the world. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or a newbie, these tips are sure to enhance your adventures. Let's dive right in. 1. Packing hacks. Our first category is packing hacks, because getting your essentials right is the foundation of an amazing trip. Roll, don't fold. Rolling your clothes instead of folding them not only saves space but also minimizes wrinkles. Your suitcase will thank you for this one. Use packing cubes. Packing cubes are a game changer. They help you stay organized and make finding your clothes a breeze. Plus, they come in various sizes to fit all your gear. 2. Booking and accommodation hacks. Now, let's move on to some booking and accommodation hacks to save money and make your stay more enjoyable. Use incognito mode for flight tickets. When searching for flights, use your browser's incognito mode. Airlines can track your searches and raise prices if they see high demand. Book directly with hotels. Booking directly with hotels often gives you more flexibility, better rates, and added perks. Plus, you can negotiate room preferences. 3. On-the-go hacks. Now, let's talk about making your travel experience smoother while on the go. Download offline maps. Don't rely solely on data or Wi-Fi. Download offline maps for your destination in advance to navigate without a hitch. Portable chargers and power banks. Carry a reliable power bank. It's a lifesaver when your phone is your map, camera, and entertainment on long journeys. 4. Safety and security hacks. Safety and security are paramount. Let's explore some hacks to keep your travel safe. Scan important documents. Scan your passport, visa, and important documents. Store them securely in your email or a cloud service for easy access if needed. Use a dummy wallet. Carry a dummy wallet with some cash and expired cards. It can be a lifesaver in case of theft. 5. Food and dining hacks. Who doesn't love delicious food when traveling? Here are some hacks to savor the local cuisine. Local food markets. Visit local food markets to experience authentic flavors and save money compared to touristy restaurants. Restaurant reservations. Book restaurant reservations in advance, especially in high-demand tourist spots, to avoid long waits. 6. Miscellaneous hacks. And finally, a few miscellaneous tips that can make your trip even better. Use a luggage scale. A luggage scale ensures you won't exceed baggage limits and face unexpected fees at the airport. And there you have it, 6 travel hacks that will revolutionize the way you explore the world. From packing smart to ensuring your safety and indulging in local flavors. These tips are your key to unforgettable adventures. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more travel wisdom. Until next time, happy travels!